Okay, so we're going to look at some applications of linear equations and just some general problem-solving tips that book offered. Analyze the problem by reading it carefully to understand the given facts. We're going to do that. Obviously, you'll need to assign a variable because you're going to be looking for some type of answer. They wouldn't just give you a problem and give you the answer, I hope. Although sometimes they do that. Form an equation. Solve the equation like we've been doing, and then state the conclusion clearly, and then check the result. So it says in 2009, target. Let's call target. I'm just going to go ahead and write some notes. This is for the first one. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. For 1, if we do target, and we'll call that T. One thing to note, these are all one variable equations, but I'm going to write them in two variables for now. And Home Depot, we put D. Then it says we're two of the top nation's top employers. Their combined workforce totaled 616,650 people. So we know that that means T plus D is equal to 616,650. Okay. Then it says if Home Depot employed 85,350 fewer than Target, then how many employees did each company have? So we know that we do Home Depot plus 8,000 or 85,000, 85,350 people is equal to T. Why am I using D? I wanted to use H. Obviously, I wanted to use H. Let's change this to H. Sorry. All right. And I wrote D in the other equation. Let's restart this then. So we've got target T, so T plus H is equal to 616,650, and H plus 85,350 is equal to T. There we go, that's better. Now, we can replace this T value into here to figure out what H is. So let's do that. So we're going to do T, which is H plus 85350, plus H is equal to 616,650. Okay, so then from here we have 2H plus 85350 is 616,650. Go ahead and subtract. 2H is equal to 0.03135. Okay, then we divide by 2. 531,300 divided by 2 is going to be 2, 6, 12, 1, 11, 5. This is going to be 10. So that's 1. Bring down the 3. 6 minus 12. 5 and 0. Okay, so there we go. So H is equal to 265,650. So if we know that, then we know T, because we know if we add 85,350 to that, we have H plus T is equal to 85. H plus 85,350 is equal to T. Well, we know H is 265,650. So go ahead and add that. We have T is equal to 0, 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 1 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus... Wait, what? No. 6 plus 5 is 11. Plus 1 is 11. Uh-oh. Did I do something wrong? Here, let me do this the right way. 2, 6, 5. 6, 5, 0. 0, 5, 3, 5, 8. There we go. 0, 0, 9, 10, 0, 11, 14, 15. There we go. Okay. 351,000. So if we were going to state this, sorry, don't look at that. So we have Target had 351,000 employees, and Home Depot had 265,650 employees. And so we've stated it. Obviously, if you wanted to check it, just add those two together, and it should equal the total from the original 616,650, which I'm sure it does. I'm hoping it does, because if it doesn't, I'm going to be embarrassed. But I'm not going to check it. Let's look at another one. A triathlon includes swimming, long distance running, and cycling. The long distance run is 11 times longer than the distance the athletes swim. The distance the cycling is longer than the run. So okay, running, cycling, and swimming. I guess let's say swimming is X. Swimming is X. Okay. Then the run is equal to 11x, right? It's 11 times bigger than the swim. And the distance they cycle is 85.5 longer than the run. So then the cycling is equal to the run So cycling is equal to the run plus 85.8 miles. Okay. So we know they're going to do all of these. So we know S plus R plus C is equal to 140.6 miles. So let's get these all in terms of x. Notice this third equation is not in terms of x, but we know r is equal to 11x, so we can say c is equal to 11x plus 85.8. Okay, so we'll use that equation instead. So let's do this. This is x plus 11x plus 11x plus 85.8 is equal to 140.6. So notice when I did this, I set the swim equal to x because that's I just chose the shortest one. I guess you could technically do the other one, but you would have to have it divided by 11, and that wouldn't be, you guys wouldn't want to deal with fractions. Choose the shortest one, and that's probably the best advice I can give you. This is 22x, this is 23x plus 85.8 is equal to 140.6. 85.8. This is 23x. And I'm going to do this with the calculator just to speed this up because I want this video to take forever. So we have 140.6 minus 85.6. It's 55. Oh, no, that's not right. Sorry, I put 0.6. It should be 0.8. 84.8. Or 54.8, sorry. Divided by 23. Oh, that's not cute, but it could be right. So this is going to be x is equal to 2.4 miles. We'll just round it. So then r is equal to 11 times 2.4. So 11 times that. I just rounded, by the way. This is 26.4. And then, so c is equal to 11x, which we just found to be 26.4 plus 85.8. 85.8. And that's 112.2. So what does that mean? That means that they cycled for 112.2 miles, they ran for 26.4, and they swam for 2.4 miles. So I hope this helps. Thank you, guys.